Now gurus and new, she's slaying the city. No makeup, just wake up and still giving them pretty. Hit the lights, camera, action, cause it's big as a movie. And grab a seat and now tune with disastrous beauty.
And then you will go away. I'm not gonna be begging you to stay. Said maybe if you asked me yesterday, I would handle this shit differently. Things are different, I'm a new me. That's not gonna happen. That's not gonna happen. That's not gonna happen. So even if you're asking, even if you're asking, cause I do what I do, and it's time for something new, yeah. Gotta know when to let go. Gotta know when to let go. Gotta know when to let go. Sometimes giving up can make it grow. Can make it grow. Can make it grow. Ooh. Don't wanna be stuck in a spot, telling you it ain't what I got. Don't wanna be stuck in a spot, cause I don't really like what I got, so I changed it bit by bit. It's not ungrateful, just being helpful for me and you. Cause we gotta go our own way, gotta go our own way, yeah. This was not a good stay, gotta go our own way. Cause I do what I do, and it's time for something new. The chase. Now there's nothing here for me, yeah. I gotta go, I'll fly away to a new space. You know I don't appreciate the chase. Now there's nothing here for me, yeah. I gotta go, I'll fly away to a new space. Take it slow, just wanna let you know, ready to spend some time. I wanna spend some time, needed some time to grow. Just wanna let you know, ready to spend some time. I wanna spend some time, ready to talk, baby, can be your rock, baby. Please come and sit with me, or take a walk with me. I need to speak to you, just wanna be with you. Just let me take you for a ride. Is there a chance that we could make another try? I think we're meant to be, didn't wanna say goodbye. If there's a chance, just tell me how. Cause time is precious, time is now. Don't wanna take it slow, just wanna let you know, ready to spend some time. I wanna spend some time, needed some time to grow. Just wanna let you know, ready to spend some time. I wanna spend some time. No, I was dumb, baby, just way too young, baby. I was too blind to see what you meant to me. The things you can't forgive, didn't know how to live, cause I didn't love myself. Wish I could turn back time, go back and do things right. Give you a wedding ring, give you my everything, and be there by your side. Share I made these. I miss you every day. You were the one who got away. Been thinking about you lately. I'm hanging on to. I made these. I miss you every day. You were the one who got away. Don't wanna take it slow. Just wanna let you know. Ready to spend some time. I wanna spend some time. Needed some time to grow.
Okay, y'all, so I'm obviously finished styling this wig, and this is what I got. If you're interested in the details and specs and all that good stuff about this unit, then please continue to watch. Alright, so the unit that I am rocking was sent to me by Donmily Hair. Shout out you, Donmily, for sending me this unit and sponsoring this video. I truly do appreciate it. So the unit that I have on is their 5x5 HD transparent lace closure wig. It is a body wave unit, and it says pre-plucked baby hair. Now, I did not utilize baby hair with this unit, and I promise y'all I did not tweeze this hairline whatsoever, honey. She woke up like this. Okay, so I want to throw that out there. She woke up like this. Now, they did send me this unit in 28 inches. I am trying to see all the lengths that they have available. Okay, so it says this unit is available in 16 to 28 inches. The density is 180%. It's HD lace. The color is a natural black. And it is an average cap size. Now, as far as it being an average cap size, I do feel like it is big head friendly. So I feel like you could probably make it work if you have a smaller head, but I feel like it works best for medium to large heads, because I did have to adjust the strap. So I want you guys to keep that in mind. Now, I did bleach the knots on this wig, but literally everything else, like it just, you see how it just kind of melted in. It is definitely transparent lace. It can't pre-tweezed like this. I did decide to clean up the parting space a little bit, but not a whole lot. So I just got like a couple of hairs out of there, and that is it. That is all, honey. And yeah, like literally, she woke up like this, girl. Now, as far as shedding and tangling, I honestly did not receive any. I did decide to layer the unit some just to kind of frame around my face, you know, just in the front area. But other than, you know, once I cut it, I ain't got the best shears or the best seals, because they really is, girl, they seals. Okay, I ain't got the best, so I was getting a little shedding after that. But prior to me cutting in the hair with my bad scissors, I was not receiving any shedding whatsoever. That's not to say, oh girl won't do any of the things at some point. It's just to say right now she's not doing any other things, honey. So yeah, that is pretty much it as far as the details and specs go with this unit. Now, if you are interested in my pros and cons as well as a full 360, then please continue to watch. Alright, y'all, so I'm gonna start with the cons, because you know I like to end on a high note. Honestly, I really struggle with the cons with this particular unit, and the only thing that I could think of is the fact that you may have to bleach the knots. The knots were pretty present in this unit, so the only thing that I could really think of is, you know, bleaching the knots. I know a lot of people don't like to have to bleach knots, and I feel like you can still get away with not bleaching the knots, but I feel like it does look better if you do. So that was the only con that I could think of with this particular wig. Now, honey, the pros. The pros are endless. First of all, let's get into this 28 inches, honey, okay? Let me just go ahead and stand up and show you guys. Like, I'm 5'4", so keep that in mind. Y'all, this hair is long, okay? It is full. Like, it's not too much. It's not like super heavy. It is definitely giving 180% density all the way through for me. The hairline is just life, like without touching it. I feel like this is the ultimate beginner-friendly wig, honey. Okay, I always say that with certain units, but this is a closure, so it is super beginner-friendly. Like, honestly, I don't even feel like you would necessarily have to lay it down. I feel like it's one of those wigs that on a certain day, you can just throw old girl on your head and keep it moving, honey. It's just, yeah. Those are my pros with this wig. Yes, I would definitely recommend it, especially for my beginners, okay? Especially for my beginner wig wearers, or somebody that's trying to go from wearing, you know, like lace part units or headband units to, you know, kind of get into a little more lace. I would definitely recommend it for y'all, but I would recommend it to everybody. Y'all know, like I said, your girl love a closure. I will take a closure over anything, any day, honey, okay? Especially one that don't require any work, okay, girl? I really love that, okay? Boom. All right, y'all. So let's do this full 360 and lint check so we can wrap this thing all the way up. I know I kind of already gave y'all lint check, but that was in the front. So let me just give you guys a full 360. Keep in mind I am 5'4". Okay, so this is obviously the unit in the front. This is it on the left side. This is it in the back. And this is it on the right side. Y'all like my little 70s outfit? I don't know why this hair was giving me a little bit of a 70s vibe. I just went to a 70s hotel with my friend for her birthday, honey. Hopefully I'll get that vlog out at some point, y'all. Bear with me. But yeah, it was just giving me all the 70s vibes that I needed, girl. Okay, so yeah, let me know down below what you guys think about this unit. Let me know if you are feeling it as much as I am, because I am definitely feeling it. Shout out to you, Donmily. Okay, you definitely came through with the come through, and thank you so much for sponsoring this video. Now, if you guys are interested in this unit, I will have a direct link to it down below in the description box for your convenience. And yeah, girl, that's all.
That's all.
So, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you have any questions or you feel like I may have left out, feel free to comment down below. And if you're not already subscribed, girl, click that subscribe button. It's not gonna cost you not one red cent. And if you're not already following me on all my social media platforms, I am DizastrousBeauty on both IG and TikTok. I'm Health to Miss C on Snapchat, and I'm DizastrousB on Twitter. And I will see you love bugs next time. Bye.